Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're going to be making these really cool Naruto stickers. These are for my brother's birthday party. They're going to be put in like these little party favor cups I made, so I think this is really cool. I'm going to show you guys how I made them and how you can have them like this, ready to go and peel off. So if you guys are ready to learn, let's get started. And start off with the new canvas. Here in uploads, I'm pretty sure I do have some images that I can use, so I'm just going to go through really quick and see if I can add any images to my canvas. Okay, and I think that's it. That's all the stuff I have, so I'm just going to go back into my project. And this is what we have so far. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these. I'm just going to leave them there for now. And I'm just going to be uploading a few more things. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this. This is just what I had available, so I just added it. But now we're going to go into Google. And here in Google, all I did was type in Naruto PNG. And right here, we could see all of these. So when you click on them, as long as they seem pretty clear and you can save them to your computer, then we can upload them to Cricut and print them as stickers. So any image on Google is pretty much good for you to use. So just go through and find all the images that you want to use and save them to your computer. And here in Uploads, we are just going to be uploading the images we just saved. So starting off with this one. And here in the preview, usually they download without the background, but if it has the background, that's okay. We're just going to go over here to the left side, more options. And in the tolerance, I'm going to increase it to like 50. And I'm just going to click. And it looks pretty smooth. So I think we're good to go. Apply and continue. And now we're going to save it as a print and cut image. And so we're just going to be repeating the same steps of uploading all our images into Cricut Design Space. You can always use the erase tool. Like, for example, I don't want this logo here. I'm just going to erase it. And now it's gone. Okay, apply and continue and save as a print and cut. Okay, so now that I'm done uploading all of my images, we're just going to be adding them to the canvas. So I'm just going to click on them and add to canvas. Okay, so I'm just going to zoom out so I can see these a little bit better, and I'm just going to be organizing them a bit to see what it is that I want to use versus what I can delete. And you can just leave these like this and print them out and cut them like that. But I like to add an outline when I'm making stickers. It just makes it a little bit cleaner, I believe. So once you click on the image, we just go to offset. And it just needs to be a very small offset. So I put 0.05 and apply. And you can see here, like if I move it, it kind of made like a shadow of the image. But usually I like to have the offset be white, so I'm just going to change the color. And you're not going to see it anymore because it's going to be white, but it's there. And now I'm just holding and selecting both files. You can see here I'm selecting both files. And I am just going to flatten. So once it's flattened, you can't see it, but like when I move it around, right there is the outline, and now our sticker is good to go. So I'm just going to go through doing this to all of my images just to add that background. Okay, so now if I move my images over, you can see here they all have the outline. So I'm not going to use these pictures. I might just use them for the cake topper or something. I think I'm going to stick to the cute chibis and then just basic Naruto stickers. So I'm just deleting that. And now it's just about putting our pages together. So as always, I like to start with just the page. That's the size of my printing area. That is 6.75 by 9.25. And then as long as your images fit in this shape right here, this is what you're going to be printing and cutting, so you should be fine. These are too big right now, so that's okay. We're just going to make them smaller. Okay, and so now we're just going to start organizing these. So just go through, make sure that nothing is overlapping and everything is inside the sheet. And once you're ready, we're just going to remove the sheet, select everything, and hit attach. Now that everything's attached, this is going to print out all together at once. So now you can just delete this. We don't need it anymore. And we have a whole page of stickers. And so just depending on how many stickers you want, you're just going to duplicate the pages. And when we go over to make it, it fits perfectly in our sheet like this. And in the printer, since I did the offset white, I don't need the bleed. And in the system dialogues, I like to go to preferences and just change the print quality to best, just so I can get the best image possible. And these are going to be printed on my glossy sticker paper. So in the paper here, I'm going to be changing it to photo paper. And now we're ready to print. And this is the printable vinyl sticker paper I use. I always use HTV Ronds. It's just the easiest and what I have available. Okay, so here I have my mat and I already have all my sheets printed out. I did already cut some of these, and I got a little brave, and usually I put Scotch tape around the dark edges. These dark edges, since it's glossy paper, usually the Cricut has trouble reading it and it doesn't cut too well. I do turn off all the lights though, just to make sure that it can give it the best chance possible at reading the line. And I cut these with the printable vinyl setting, and I did a pretty good job, but as you can see, they're still on the sheet. If you wanted them to cut all the way through, I would use the poster setting. That one usually works well for me. But since they're for children, I want them to be easily peeled off. So what I'm doing is I'm just going through with my scissors and cutting them off. That way you already have like the indents and stuff, so I think it's easier for children to just peel them off like this. And there is also pieces like right here that it cut, but the pieces are still there, so you can just go in with like your tools and then just grab those pieces out. Or you don't really have to. When the stickers get peeled off, usually those pieces stay behind, so I don't know, it's just your preference how professional you want to make them look. But yeah, I'm just kind of rushing right now, so this is what they're gonna get. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from it. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And please also head over to my Instagram and my TikTok for a lot more pictures and videos of my work. And thank you so much for watching.